Welcome to video number 7. Today we're going to do an experiment to determine the Thevenin equivalent of a linear circuit. Now the actual circuit is hidden under this sheet of paper representing an arbitrary linear circuit in a black box. The Thevenin equivalent of this circuit is the open circuit voltage across the port terminals A and B, that is V sub TH equals V sub AB. And we'll just measure that using our trusty digital multimeter here. All right, so starting off with that measurement, we're going to connect our black lead to port terminal B and our red lead to port terminal A, and we get an open circuit voltage of 4.38 volts. So that is our Thevenin voltage. We're going to record that, 4.38 volts. Okay, now experimentally to determine RTH, we need to take the open circuit voltage V sub AB and divide it by the short circuit current. So we're going to have to short this output port and measure the resulting current. I'm going to do that simply by setting up the digital multimeter as an ammeter and connecting it across the port. That's not a good idea in general, but I know the circuit is safe and it won't destroy my meter, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that. So first I'll disconnect my leads, set the meter for current measurement in milliamps, reconnect it, and we get a short circuit current I sub SC of about 2.37 milliamps. So I'm recording that value here, and the Thevenin resistance is the open circuit voltage divided by the short circuit current. So let's go ahead and do that calculation. I've got my trusty Texas Instruments TI-68 calculator here, my favorite non-graphics calculator. And we've got 4.38 volts divided by 2.37 milliamps gives us a Thevenin resistance of about 1.85 k ohms. So there we are. Our Thevenin equivalent is 4.38 volts, 1.85 k ohms. Now, I'm going to show you the actual circuit now, and it's going to look pretty familiar. Here we've got a resistive network and a power supply that implements the ideal voltage sources in the circuit. Let me move all of this and show you a schematic for what we're taking a look at. Okay, so here's the experimental circuit that we were working with. It's this resistive network with a 5-volt source and a 10-volt source driving it. All right, we recorded our Thevenin values previously, and they were VTH experimental was 4.38 volts, and RTH was 1.85 k ohms. Now it's your turn. I'm going to leave the theoretical analysis of the circuit to you. You can record your Thevenin equivalent values here, and they should come out pretty close to the measured values. And that's it for this experiment. I will see you the next time.